Welcome to our in-depth comparison review between the TP-Link Archer A6 and Archer 6 v2.8 routers. Let's delve into four key specifications: wireless, security, hardware, and software to help you make an informed decision. 1. Wireless. Both routers adhere to Wi-Fi 5 standards and offer ACK 1200 speeds suitable for typical home networks. While the Archer 6 delivers speeds of 867 Mbps on the 5GHz band and 300 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, the Archer 6 offers slightly higher speeds of 867 Mbps and 400 Mbps on the respective bands. However, both provide a similar medium Wi-Fi range coverage, making them suitable for 3-bedroom houses. 2. Security. In terms of security, both routers come equipped with SPI firewall, access control, and guest network capabilities. However, the Archer S6 includes VPN server support, providing an additional layer of security for remote access. On the other hand, the Archer 6 focuses on optimizing network efficiency with airtime fairness to prevent excessive occupation. 3. Hardware. While the Archer A6 features a Qualcomm QPU, the Archer 6 is powered by a 1.2 GHz QPU, potentially offering better processing performance. Both routers come with AUX Gigabit WAN port and FORX Gigabit WAN port and FORX Gigabit LAN ports for high-speed wired connections. However, the Archer A6 lacks details on its processor speed, while the Archer 6 specifies a 1.2 GHz QPU. 4. Software. Both routers support IP4 and IP6 protocols, as well as on-mesh technology for creating a flexible network ecosystem. Additionally, they offer parental controls, WAN-type options, quality of service settings, and NAT forwarding features. However, the Archer 6 provides OTA firmware upgrade capability, which enhances its software functionality. In summary, both the Archer A6 and Archer 6 v2.8 offer reliable performance and essential features for home networks. The Archer A6 stands out with its VPN server support, while the Archer 6 emphasizes network optimization with airtime fairness and OTA firmware upgrades. Thanks for watching our comparison review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.